What do the Italians have to thank Taganrog for? Here, sailor Garibaldi entered the secret society and began the struggle for the unity of a fragmented Austrian-dependent Italy. The thing is that 200 years ago, local wheat of the Arnautka variety was considered the best for preparation of spaghetti. Italians came for it to Russia, and that's why they called it Taganrog. Peter I laid the harbor on the Cape Taganyi Horn before St. Petersburg. The city was called Troitsk and was built very quickly. Peter's unsuccessful Prut campaign led to peace with the Turks on unfavorable terms. The city had to be destroyed. These lands were recovered under Catherine II. Taganrog became an important commercial port and a naval base. Admirals Dmitry Senyavin, Fedor Ushakov served here. But for us, Taganrog first of all is Chekhov's homeland. There are 3 museums dedicated to the writer and monuments to his protagonists and their prototypes.